हेलो फ्रेंड्स। सो आज हम एक ऐसे स्टॉक की बात करेंगे विच इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर स्टॉक 10 years अगो। एंड अभी जो स्टॉक ऐसा मूव दे रहा है, सो सम पीपल आर थिंकिंग कि वो इट कैन बिकम अ मल्टी बैगर अगेन, जो कि 2x 3x 10x रिटर्न्स दे सकता है। सो लेट्स deep dive into this and let's discuss the stock techno funda analysis in this video. So let's start with technical chart. So as you can see, the stock is none other than Reliance Power, and it was a buzzing stock 1 decade ago. And I have opened the monthly chart currently, and as you can see, the price had was constantly falling after its listing. So from around 400 or 310, the stock had become had came to around 1 rupee, which is a penny stock currently. So the things have changed or not in this company, so we will check and do the fundamental analysis in later part of this video. So let's check the technical charts now. I'm opening the weekly time frame. So generally this was very big downtrend in this particular stock, and currently the stock had formed inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a reversal pattern as per the bookish definition. So अभी रिवर्सल पैटर्न के बाद स्टॉक रैली शुरू करता है अपना. सो बेसिकली ये डाउन ट्रेंड, it basically ends the downtrend and stock starts its new journey, which is the uptrend. And as you can see here also, the stock had given a breakout above this candle, and यहाँ से stock almost 200% का returns दे चुका है in around 49 days, or I would say in around 2 months. सो 2 महीने में अराउंड 250% 240% 200% का रिटर्न इज वेरी गुड इन दिस काइंड ऑफ पेनी स्टॉक. एंड इफ वी सी अ डेली चार्ट ऑल्सो, सो स्टॉक ने सिर्फ सर्किट मार मार के है ही ऊपर गया है. सो बेसिकली दिस इज वेरी रिस्की स्टॉक फॉर ट्रेडिंग पर्पस ओनली, बिकॉज अगर अभी आज अपर सर्किट मार रहा है, इफ यू बाय द स्टॉक, अगर कल लोअर सर्किट मारना शुरू करेगा तो देन प्रोबेबली इट कैन come to any lower levels, and you won't be able to exit this particular stock. So this stock is very risky as of now. But अगर अभी ये ब्रेकआउट तो ऑलरेडी दे चुका है, एंड इट हैड ऑलरेडी क्रॉस्ड दिस रेजिस्टेंस एज वेल. आई एम जस्ट प्लॉटिंग वन रेजिस्टेंस लाइन अगर. So this is also one resistance for the stock, which is around 13.25. So if any trader wants to take exposure in this particular stock, then I would suggest to wait for this particular level around 13 or around 4.545. So if you get 13.5, then a trader can take the position. I am saying, repeating again, a trader, not an investor. And trader भी ऐसे position don't take huge position in this, because अगर ये लोअर सर्किट मारना शुरू करेगा तो यू डोंट नो कि कौन से लेवल पे ये जाके रुकेगा. इट कैन बी अगेन बिकम कम डाउन टू अराउंड 1-2 rupees again. So take proper position in this with proper position sizing and risk management. And there are around 5,000 stocks in the in NSE. उसमें से कम 300 तो अच्छे कंपनीज है. सो व्हाई डू यू वांट टू ट्रेड इन दिस काइंड ऑफ पेनी स्टॉक also? So a trader can check and think again before trading in this particular stock. uh, I would suggest to avoid this kind of stock, because it is a circuit stock and it's fully operator driven. And if still you want to take risk, then add at appropriate level with proper position sizing in this particular stock. So let's check the fundamentals now. So as you can see, the current price is 15 and book value is 43. So the price to book is around zero point 0.3 in this case. स्टॉक में इफ यू चेक द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, देन कंपनी का जो प्रॉफिट सेल्स है वो इंक्रीज हो रहा था टिल 2017. फिर यहाँ से वो इट वेंट इन डाउन ट्रेंड. इफ यू चेक नेट प्रॉफिट एंड ईपीएस, देन इट इज द सेम स्टोरी. यहाँ पे तो नेगेटिव होके currently for FY21 the EPS and net profit is positive, but still it is not a sign of confirmation yet. Agar if it, for one more consecutive year if it becomes positive, then it will be a good sign. If we check the balance sheet, then जो यहाँ पे reserves है, it is in downtrend यहाँ से from 2018, and it had almost become 50 half during this time. And if we check the borrowings, so it is increasing year on year, and from 2018 they are decreasing the borrowing. But still, if we follow basic principle of fundamentals, So reserves is very much less than borrowings, which means the company is not fundamentally good as well. If we check promoter holding, so promoter holding is in downtrend. From 75% they reduce it to 9%, which is very very bad sign for the company as well, because promoters themselves are selling the stock because of some reason probably. And if we check the promoters pledging in this particular stock, then the around 53% they had pledged earlier, now it is reduced to 17.9%. So fundamentals of the company is not good as of now. So I would suggest, so investors should stay away from this stock unless the fundamentals of the company improves. So this is all about the technofunda analysis of R Power. There is a disclaimer also with this video. If you have learned anything from this video, then you can like this particular video and do subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you guys.